Hello guys, lecture number 5, database system. Agenda, basis of database systems, their characteristics, architecture, concept, and so on. Then the second one would be about the relationship between the database systems. Vocabulary, from this time, I decided that you have to translate it by yourself and then learn by heart at home. First topic. A database is a structured collection of records or data. A computer database is a kind of software to organize the storage of data. So in easy word, databases help us to organize our information in logical way. So nowadays, to develop any databases, there are several models used such as hierarchical model, network model, relational model, and object-oriented model. In a hierarchical model, data is organized into an inverted tree-like structure. You will understand it from the next slides, which I show you. The network model tends to store records with the links to other records. And relational model is a database model based on relations. Object-oriented model is it provides full-featured database programming capability while containing native language compatibility. So to fully understand this object-oriented model, I guess we have to have like developers logic, but I would try to explain you. So hierarchical model, as you can see from this picture, we have like main root. It is the main information which we have, and this information, in our case root, divided into subroots here, and each subroot also divided into subroots. So each subroot has only one parent here. As you can see, like level 2 has level 1 has main root, and so on. Next is the network model. As we can see from this picture, mm, one root can like divide it into several roots, and any root can have several parents, not like this. Here, for example, any root has only one parent, and here they can have several parents, so they're like relating with each other with the special links. For example, salesman, information about salesman we have in order records and in items records as well. So relational model, we can notice that we have like several mini records here about our patient, cluster, grid, electrode, and so on. And they can connect with each other with the different like keywords. For example, here we have like grid ID and here as well. So it means that they are connecting with these keywords, but in other records, you cannot see that. That's why they're not connecting. So patient ID we have here. That's why it totally, the full of this records, it's relating on this records as well. Next is the object-oriented model. It is the special library where we have all special codes to type like codes on a Java, for example. It's like database which helps to our developers to programming. So next is the relationships. We have three type of relationships. It's one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-many relationship. To explain this relationships, I would like to take our university as an example. One-to-one relationship. We have only one university and one dean. I would like to explain it in Russian as well. Like, у нас есть один университет и один ректор. That means that we don't have several university, Kazanpu, Abai University, and we don't have like several deans. So that's why it's one-to-one relationship. One-to-many relationship. One university has many lecturers or many teachers. So it's one-to-many. And many-to-many relationship, when we have many teachers, and they teach many students. So that's all. The next thing is about the applications or programs which help us to develop any database. It could be Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft Access, IBM, Microsoft Excel, and so on. When we work with the like short or with the little databases, we can use Excel. But when it's very big, we should then we choose Access. So, but all these applications, it's very old for nowadays. More modern applications is, I can say, it's 1C and also Bittrex, Adidas and Bittrex. If you want to be like a developer or programmist, um, you can like a little bit learn so 1S or Bittrex, then you can work as a programmer. That's all for today. Homework as usual, you have to read lecture, then take a note for yourself and learn vocabulary. See you next week. Bye bye. And if you have questions, as usually, don't forget to ask me on our group message. And you can even leave comments below, and I will immediately answer.